Hi, I'm Bob Holcomb from Apex Automotive in Great Barrington, Massachusetts. Today we're going to talk about some of the noises that your wheels could make while they're turning. We've removed the tire from this Volvo, and you can see there's a braking system, there's a strut, there's a suspension, control arm bushings, sway bar links, tie rod ends, and the like. All of these things can cause noise. The most common culprit is your brakes rattling while you're driving. The brake pad can become loose in the slide. It can squeak, it can get dirt in it, or what have you. The way to determine whether you have a brake noise as opposed to a suspension noise sometimes is while you're driving and you apply your brake. If the noise goes away, chances are the braking system is actuating and it's tightening up so then it stops rattling. The problem could be in your brakes. If the noise gets worse while you apply your brakes, chances are that the noise is in your brakes. There's quite a few things that can cause noise in your wheels while you're driving. I guess the key would be to first isolate the noise, whether it be over a bump, normal driving, or at a specific speed. Then you could determine what would be causing this noise. I'm Bob Holcomb from Apex Automotive in Great Barrington, Massachusetts.